Hey, my name's Will. I'm going to attempt my first PC build. By no means am I an expert, but I'm hoping to have fun and have a working PC out of it. So let's do this. All right. So real quick, let's talk about what this build will have. Right here, we got the Cooler Master ML360 RGB, water-cooled AIO. We have our motherboard, which is the Z390E Gaming, made by ASUS. We have our Be Quiet power supply, the Straight Power 11, 750 watt, with the case being the O11 Dynamic XL. We have the T-Force Delta Max, 1 terabyte RGB SSD. We're going to be using a 9600K i5 processor, Intel. We will also have 500 gigabytes of NVMe M.2, this old Samsung guy right here, and our 2x8 3600 megahertz RAM. So these are all the pieces. So let's go ahead and, additionally, also have this guy, the Cooler Master Fan MF120 Halo. Got more on the way. This is the one that has showed up. So we are going to put this one in, but there'll also probably be another video dedicated to installing the rest of them. But really looking forward to seeing this fan. I haven't seen many videos on it on YouTube, so kind of excited. Okay, so I just went ahead and I double checked the direction of the fans. I put them all in backwards. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna change these fans, swap them, because my goal is to push air from the outside through the radiator into the case, from the case exhausting out the back. And the way I have it set up right now is to literally do the opposite. So I'm gonna go ahead and change all that. All right, so we have the completed build, and I know this is a thing. I'm gonna see if I can get some good audio on this. The reveal. Ooh. Definitely a nice shiny piece of glass. You can see me. We're gonna do the front IO shield. Nice. All right, final piece. We're ready.